Hi, I'm Suki.
Hi, I'm Sunnah.
Today we will be learning how to build a coin spinner. You take this red part, see? And you take the tip of it, you do it like that, and then you take your coin, well, not really a coin, you put it in like this, and then you spin it. And then it spins. So open it up and see what we will do. The instructions, we got these wooden parts. Oh, and we have some coins in here. These rubber like bands. And we have these. We don't need this anymore. And Sunnah, can you hold this?
Yeah.
And then after that, we're going to need this part. It's red. We're going to take this blue part. Let's just put it like this. Then it will look just like this. This yellow part looks a little bit like a banana. Fun. And wait. We need this blue part again. This part. Oh, wait. Well, gonna put it on like this. I didn't do anything. I'm just holding it back so that it doesn't fall. See? Okay, did it. Like this. This part to here, like that.
There we go.
So now, can you pass me that rubber band?
That's what?
Yeah, thank you.
Big one.
Because that's what it said. So, then it'll look like this. And then you can put it, you can't put it back. You see this part? You're going to push this part up.
Yeah!
And that is how it works. Like this right now. We're going to put one of these white stickers on here. Like that. I'm gonna take this part and put it on to these holes. And then I'll be like that. Oh, Sunnah, can you give me that like thing that looks like a comma? Yeah, that. Thank you.
I wanna have that.
Yeah, and then can you pass me this? Yes, thank you. And then you're gonna put this. Well, you're gonna need this part and this like a rubber band thingy, Jeanette. Like this. Then after that, this is called a wing nut. And upside down. Yeah. And then gonna put it on.
Can this one be mine?
This one.
So cool.
Gonna put it on like this. Like that. So we have this part. We're gonna rip off this blue part.
Don't touch this too. Let's see.
Okay, we have this now. Punching it again. So we're gonna need this again. Going to put it on. And it will look just like that. It's almost complete. Almost. So, clear white rubber band. And then where I say that I be pinching, I'm gonna put it on like that. I got one on. Now let's get the other. And then we got this. Now we're finally done. We just need to get 1 coin.
Okay, that's right.
Put it on. Well, we're going to put it on like this. And then, see? And then after that, we got the linen. And then, and that is how you spin. And that is how you make your very own coin that spins.
Ooh, I want it.
Ooh. And it's spinning. Spinning, spinning, spinning. Put it in like that. And look, it's spinning around in here. So, that is how you make it. Well, thanks for doing this video. If you want to watch more videos, just go to YouTube and type Build with Suki and Sunnah. And that is how you spell Build with Suki and Sunnah. Well, thanks for watching. Bye.